today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Smart Reply in Gmail. Smart Reply is the feature that suggests short, one-tap responses at the bottom of some emails, like, "Sounds good," or "Thanks for letting me know." If you find those suggestions distracting, or you simply prefer to write your own replies, you can easily switch this feature off in your Gmail settings. I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account where you want to turn off Smart Reply. Once your inbox is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. In that quick settings panel, you'll notice several options, but for what we need, look for the link that says See All Settings. It's usually at the top of the panel. Go ahead and click on See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page, where you have much more control over how Gmail behaves. On the full settings page, you should land automatically on the General tab. If you are not there, click on General at the top. Now, scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Smart Reply. It might be a little further down the page, so take your time and scroll slowly to avoid skipping past it. In the Smart Reply section, you'll see options that usually say something like turning Smart Reply on or turning Smart Reply off. Right now, Smart Reply is likely enabled, which is why you're seeing suggested replies in your emails. To stop that, select the option that turns Smart Reply off. Simply click on the circle next to Smart Reply off so that it's selected. Once you've done that, make sure your change is saved. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. Gmail will reload and your new settings will take effect. From now on, those automatic short reply suggestions will no longer appear at the bottom of your emails. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Smart Reply section and turn it back on using the exact same steps.